Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com, GM3D505. This is our polymer print bed. You can see it's kind of a frosted color. This one's frosted on both sides. Some of them are shiny on one side. Shiny side always goes down. If you have a double frosted one, it doesn't matter which way it goes. Frosted side always goes up. This bed is breakable. It is break resistant. So you can put a pretty good bend on this when you're trying to get the model off. A helpful tip is to let the printer cool down. Take the bed off after you print something on it. Let this cool down to room temperature, and then flex it, and then the part will come off a lot easier. While it's hot, you'll bend the part and it will be distorted. The purpose of this video is to show you what to do with the bed, how it lines up on here. So we're going to slide it up onto our heat bed, and we have 4 clips like this, and we're going to put them on the corners. It's very important that you don't put them other locations other than on these 4 corners in this orientation. Otherwise the print head will hit it. If the print head hits it, your print is not going to come out properly. So we just wanted to demonstrate how that print bed is attached and what order the clips are on the bed, how they're arranged. I'm Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. Next video is printing.